Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome to another Black Diamond FX live session. And tonight we have a special one. Tonight we will be discussing the difference between breaker structure and liquidity grab. All right. And I'm going to show y'all a simple way to do this. All right. So let's go to the diagram right quick. So say, for instance, we are making an uptrend. All right. So as you can see, breaker structure, we go up. Okay. We create this higher high. All right. Then we come down, create a higher low. And we go up again, breaking this structure here, all right, creating a higher high, all right, and so on and so forth, all right. So looking at this is going to look something like this. If you're looking at the charts, you're going to have candle, 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 all right. Of course, they're going to have wicks. Some may have wicks, some may not have wicks. Candle, all right. Then this is going to be your, let me erase this right quick, make some room. All right. So this is going to be your higher high right here. Okay. Then all of a sudden, it's going to start coming down. Boom, boom, boom. Might get a little wick there, come down. All right. This is going to be your higher low. All right. Then it's going to start going up again. Boom. Then again. Boom. All right. So now, first I'm going to show you a breaker structure. So remember, this is your higher high right here. Now, you can use the wick or you could use the body of the candle, either one. I like to use the wicks. Okay. So when you see, make sure these are up candles. All right. So when you see this candle break and close above this structure right here, that is considered a break of structure, all right? Or a BOS, as we like to call it, all right? That's what that is. Y'all see that? That will be a break of structure. Dun, dun. This is your high. Once that candle breaks above here and close above here, BOS, all right? Now, check this out. I'm going to keep it simple for y'all. We're going to make this video quick, all right? I'm going to try to keep it at least about 30 minutes long. Now, say for instance, we got getting the same thing. All right. Up. We go up. We go up. All right. Then we start coming down. Boom. Then we go down. Boom. Let's see. I'm going to just do another one right here. All right. And all of a sudden we go up. Boom, boom, boom. Make this a little. All right. Then we get a candle here. Boom, 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 boom. Then we get a wick. Boom. All right. Now, here is our higher high right here. Okay. This is our higher low. Notice this right here. This is our structure right here. But look, did we get a candle close? It broke, but the candle didn't close. We only got a wick here. When you see this happening, when you see this happen like this, and this candle closes, 9 times out of 10, price is going to start coming down. And this is a liquidity grab. All right. A lot of times that's what that is. Let me mark it with some dollar signs right there. Boom, boom, boom. All right. When you see that, that's a liquidity grab. And 9 times out of 10, now there are instances where price will keep going. All right. So you got to be careful with these. All right. So let's take a deeper look at these in the charts. All right. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Let's see. Let's go to something. Let's look at a Forex pair right quick. Let's look at Let's see, Euro USD. I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. All right, remove drawings. All right, so check this out. See, we have this downtrend right here, right? And you can see it all along here. All right, see how price was coming down. Okay, let's start over here. Look, see this wick? Boom. All right, this is a liquidity grab right here. All right, took out liquidity, and look what happened. Price came down. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour and take a closer inspection of it, because this is very important when it comes to trading the way that we trade. All right, and I could look at this and tell you what happened. It came down, broke, created this gap, a fair value gap. Price came back up, wick into the zone, and then dropped. All right, let's go down to the 2-hour. It's going to get more and more clear as we drop down the time frames. All right, there's the 2-hour. Let's look at the 1. It should be real clear by the time we get to the 15-minute. All right, let's see. You can see came down. Don't look like maybe a fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. The 15-minute should give us a nice, clean view. Let's see. I gotta scroll some. Gotta scroll a little further. All right. So look at what happens. Like I said, we did get a fair value gap here. See, fair value gap came back up. Boom, fill in the fair value gap right at the zone and then drop. This, what we looking at here, watch something. I'm going to circle it. Let me circle it right quick. Hold on. Circle. I want the brush. Watch this. I'm going to go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Matter of fact, I'm going to circle this whole thing right here. All right. Now you see that's the 15-minute. Watch when I go to the daily. Go back. Boom. See that? The wick and this wick. Y'all see that? That's a liquidity grab. Okay. Now, liquidity grabs help me find, I'm telling you, I've been spotting these and trading in the direction of the trend. Now, you have to be careful because trends do change. So you just have to be a little bit careful. All right. But most of the time, trends don't change that often. All right. Trends do not change that often. So when you're taking that trade in the direction of the trend, in the direction of market structure, most of the time you'll be fairly successful with it. All right. And we can go down. We can go down. Look what happens. Opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. Look at this right here. It happens here. Let's see. Put my magnet back on. This is how I find it on the daily. All right. Liquidity grab up above, came down. Look, another one. I'm going to mark some of them out, and then we're going to go drop to the lower time frames and take a look at them. Y'all, this is golden. When I say it is golden, it's golden. Boom. All right. Now let's go down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look at these. All right. The first one up top on the 4-hour, it came down, broke. Let's go down to let's go to the 2-hour. All right. So if we go down to the 2-hour, we see price. Now, looking at this, I can tell our breaker structure on this would have been here. To see this came down, came up, and came down. On a lower time frame, the breaker structure would be here. See how it broke and then came back up this wick, and even the candles came back up into, see when you have a wick like this, there's a hidden zone up in there, and it came right back into it and came back down. All right. Now, after I show you these, look what happened with this one. Same thing. Boom. Now we do have this candle close up above, but remember, we found this on the daily time frame. All right. So the rules are still valid. The rules are still valid. You want to look at that time. Remember the time frame we found that liquidity grab on. That was a daily liquidity grab. Okay. Yes, you will have candle closes on the smaller time frames, but the important thing is on the daily, it was a liquidity grab. All right. And that's what we'll be trading according to. All right. And then look what happened. Came down It broke structure right here, came down. If I go to a lower time frame, you probably see a zone down up in here. Boom, kept on going. And even this on the 2 hour. Look, it even happens on the 2 hour. See right here, liquidity grab, boom, drop. Liquidity grab, boom, drop. Y'all see that? And look, even on the pullback, right here, see that? Now it did close right here, but on the higher time frame, this probably was just a wick. All right, y'all see that? Let's go over here. Look at this. Boom. All right, same thing. Remember, on the higher, we found this on the higher time frame, so you will see that candle close right there. Don't worry about that. You want to see that whatever time frame you find it on is cool. It is cool. But I just want to show you guys how this works. All right. Look, even right here, I could have moved it up to this one. And then look what happened. See this fair value gap right here? And look what happened. Spiked up to it. Boom. Dropped. I'm telling y'all, man, this works. And look, check this out. Go down to the 1 hour. Put my standard deviation tool on. From the high to the low of the structure that was broken. All right. I can look between the -2 and the -2.5. What do we have? Anything there? Not necessarily. Maybe if we go on a 15, let's see. 15-minute. See what kind of 15-minute. Look, right here, right here. See that on the 15-minute between the -2 and the -2.5? Boom. That was our target. Did it get hit? Yep. Boom, right there. See that? No sticky keys. Right there. Boom. And it even went further. You could have targeted the -4. In between the -2 and the -2.5 is your first target. The -4 could be a second target. Normally, this is good enough. Watch this. This is EU. This would have been, if you caught it right there to here. All right, so that's what? Not a lot. I mean, it's still a good bit. 44 pips. 44 pips is good. A lot of people, a lot of scalpers don't catch 44 pips, and there are a lot of scalpers. All right. But 44 pips is good. All right. And I think we had one more, right? And those are liquidity grabs. All right. Let's see. One more. We had, oh no, that was the last one. That was the last one. Now, break of structure. Y'all know what break of structure is. Break of structure is easy to find. And I want to show you guys. What did I do? Oh, I didn't want to remove my indicators. Go back. All right. Now I'll remove drawings. Okay. Break of structure. Break of structure is simple. Just look. Break of structure where? Came down right here. Pull back up. See here? Let's go on. All right, we're on the daily. Boom. Go over here. Candle close below. See that? Break of structure. Easy. Easy. And look, break of structure, when we get a break of structure, see how it keeps going? It keeps going. Now, eventually it does reverse, but how many times it breaks structure and keeps going? Break structure, keep going. You get a little pullback, but it keeps going in that general direction, all right? But look how when we get liquidity grabs, how price reverse, come down, price reverse. This is what I want you guys to realize. When the price is coming down, we're going to look for liquidity grabs on the pullback. All right. When price is coming down, trending down, we're going to look for liquidity grabs on the pullbacks. Wait till price pullback, look for that liquidity grab. All right. Wait till price pullback, look for that liquidity grab. All right. That's what we're going to do. Now, it also happens, you can do it counter trend, but I wouldn't suggest it. I wouldn't suggest it. Just be patient and wait for the pullback. See, like this, even this small pullback. Look at that. You can't go wrong, y'all. I'm telling you. This is how I pass my futures challenge. You can trade stocks like this. You can trade futures. You can trade Forex. You can trade trading cards if you want. All right. It's, man, look, I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. Check this out. Check this out. And then look, once you find it, I might as well go through the whole strategy. So, right? Let's go back to the daily. I'm gonna give y'all the sauce. I'm gonna give y'all the whole sauce today. I'm feeling generous tonight. It's Valentine's, feeling good. You know what I'm saying? All right. So check this out. We're gonna do this one right here. All right. So boom, boom. All right. Well, let's do this one. We see this one here never really pull back all the way. And sometimes it's not going to pull back all the way. Sometimes it's going to pull back to what's called a breaker block. Okay. All right. So check this out. Daily. We find it. Once you find it on the daily, you can go to the 4 to kind of look at it, see how it looks. Okay. Okay. But you want to go to the 1 hour, definitely. All right. Once you get to the 1 hour, you see where it grab liquidity at. Once you go to the 1 hour, look for that break of structure. Okay, so the break of structure came here, right? This was our break of structure. So now what you want to do, pull out your standard deviation Fibonacci, put it from the high that took out liquidity to the structure that was broken right there. See right here? Now, normally when we place fibs, we go from left to right. Standard deviation, we go right to left. All right, boom. Look for the what? -2, -2.5. Let's go back to the higher time frame. -2, -2.5. Look at this low right here. Right at -2.5. Right there. Boom. Did it get hit? Yep. Boom, right there. Now it took some time to do it, but it had that been a GBP pair, it would have hit it fairly quickly. But you still got it. Y'all see that? And how many pips would this have been? You probably would have got in right here and wrote it down for roughly 128.7 pips. Now, excuse me, it would have took you a little while to get there. It would have taken you 10 days. All right, 10 days. But if you got a nice healthy lot size on that, man, that's a lot of money. All right. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. All right, let's look at one more pair. One more pair. Let's look at GU. Let's see what GU looks like. Put it on the daily. All right, let's see what we got over here. So price had been coming up. See, right now it's just kind of going sideways right here. But let's take a look. Let's take a look and see. We might, no, I don't want to get y'all in the habit of doing that. Let's look over here. Remove drawings. Okay, so look what we got over here. Price is bullish, right? Look what happened right here. Let's look at it right here. Boom. And then look, I'm going to show y'all this as well. See this liquidity grab? Look at this zone. Look what it did. See how it tapped into this zone that also had fair value gap? When you see that, when you see it happen like this, you don't even have to wait for it to come back. Get in and get your money. Get in and get your money. All right. Because this is like ultimate confirmation right there. All right. But check this out. That's how I caught a futures trade this morning. All right. So check this. Okay. So boom, the daily. Okay. So now this was our liquidity grab down here on the daily, right? See down here. All right. But on the 4 hour, boom, see that down there? Okay. Now let's go down to the 1. See what we got on the 1 hour. Okay. So this was the lowest point, right? So we put our standard deviation fibs from down here to up here. All right. Then we look for that -2, between the -2 and the -2.5. Let's see. Oh, let me stretch this out a little bit. I want to be able to see the lines a bit more clear. All right. So now if I go to the 4, go back to the daily. All right. Now see, if I go back to the daily, we really don't have nothing there yet. Let's see, weekly, monthly. All right, all right. So on a monthly, let's see, I'm gonna put a horizontal line at the -2. The -2, which is right along here. All right, a green, see the green dotted line? So let's go over. Now look, we could have target, let's see, weekly. Let's see, weekly go over. They got this high, that's real, real close. All right. But look, it did come into this, what it did, it looked like it hit some, let's see, hold on. This is the monthly chart. All right, it slapped that fair value gap. Look like, oh, look, see, look, we had a high right here. This is the daily. This is the daily. Watch something. I'm gonna put a horizontal ray right there. All right, now watch this. Now watch. Let's go down to the 4. See how if I can, I don't know how far back I'll be able to take it. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I can go. No, it's not gonna let me go that far back. Man, shoot. But that wick that we saw, it was, that was a high. Because remember, this is on the weekly time frame. Weekly, then I went to daily. Let me see. All right, yeah, this is on a daily time frame. All right. So when you see that wick on a daily time frame, remember, there's a bunch of candles, 4 hour. There's like 6 candles in this one daily candle. 6 times 4, 24. Yeah, there's 6 candles in here. All right. So this definitely is a high right there. All right. And that came at the -2. And that was a target. And look what happened. It wicked it. It wicked the high. Now, look what happened. Look what else happened. Liquidity. It took out liquidity. See how it wicked it? It wicked it on the daily, took out liquidity on its way down. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go down to the 1. All right. All right. So this is the 1. If I put standard deviation from here, let's see. If I put it here, that is low. Let's see. Let's see. -2 right there, -2.5 right here. Look, the -2.5, look how it lined up with where the initial liquidity grab came. Y'all see that right there? This is a trade. This is going to be another trade entry. This is where the trade is going to come down. Plus, not only was this another liquidity grab, that's a zone filling. Look, remember inducement? This is inducement right here. Liquidity sitting below. Zone right here, fair value gap. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're looking for buyers right here. We're going to sell. You know, if you're trading this, you can sell this all the way down to here and then buy it up. Come on, man. Come on. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Look over it, study it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. And if you want to learn to trade like Black Diamond FX, hit me up. Hold on 1 second. Let me put this on the screen because you can add me on Insta, Instagram. Look me up. You can DM me at Black Diamond _FX or hit my email. All right, Black Diamond FX at yahoo.com. Tell me I ain't gave y'all no sauce tonight, man. Tell me I didn't give y'all no sauce tonight. Just with this right here, just with what I showed you in this short video, man, look, y'all can change the world. You can change the trajectory of generations, your generations. Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond FX. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.